Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today I'm going to show you my new deck that is After Tarot. I have ordered it from Amazon. It took a long time for it to come because it shipped from outside of India. I wanted to order this deck because I was so interested in knowing what exactly happens post the scenes shown in the Rider-Waite deck. So I already removed the plastic, so it comes in a box like this. All right, and I love this picture on the deck which it has. Okay, it has got the cards and the book which explains the meanings, and it has got one card like this. The back is beautiful. I really love the design on the back. It's so pretty. So I will show you the cards one by one, and then you can just have a look at it. Lovely. This deck is so interesting, isn't it, guys? Now, as always, I will do pick a card reading from this new deck, one card message for group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay, so let me shuffle. Message for group 1, message for group 2, message for group 3. So whichever um, 1, 2, 3 is attracting you, pick it up. All right, so let's see. Message for group 1. All right, so there is a transformation that you guys are going to experience. I feel that there will be, you know, you have always been quite clear, okay, in terms of your communication. However, the angels are telling that they are asking you to soften the words that you use so that others don't get hurt. I also feel that some of you have been dealing with a very harsh lady. So the angels are telling that in order to handle this harsh lady, you have to transform yourself too. You have to be more assertive. I also feel that some of you, all right, are going to do some shopping for yourself, because that's what I'm hearing from the angels. I feel that there is a lot of confusion around you, but despite of being in this confusion, you have ensured that you keep your head clear, which is amazing. All right, I feel many the people who are chosen pile 1 are teachers. It's not a pile, I always keep on forgetting that. So all the ones who are chosen group 1, you guys are into some sort of communication, all right, and you are in a good position. People do listen to you. Some of them feel that you are a bit strict, okay, but the overall message is be a little bit softer where your words are concerned. Okay, now let's see message for pile for group 2. Oh, lovely. So you have got the world card, all right. So you have all the resources with you in order to be successful, and you know how to use your resources too. I feel that there would be some sort of international clients or international offer coming for some of you. I feel that some of you would take up dancing. It's what I'm hearing. I also feel that there are a lot of new ideas which you want to explore. So the angels want you to explore them, because that will give you the kind of reach that you have always been looking at. I feel that there is success, there is completion, there is availability of resources. Some of you, I'm hearing, are having weight issues. So the angels are asking that movement will help you. I also feel that the angels want you to protect yourself. That's what I'm hearing. Also, I'm hearing that some of you have kept a piece of cloth in your wardrobe unused, so you need to remove that and use it. It's a very beautiful piece of cloth is what I'm hearing. Overall, the angels are saying that yes, there would be success, there would be movement, there would be support, and some sort of international association, connect, or opportunity, or something to do with international is what I'm getting. Oh my god, look for message for group 3, swords and swords. Okay, so here I feel that the message that you guys were looking for has arrived, okay, or will arrive. So be patient. I'm also getting that you guys, earlier were confused, but now you are clear regarding something about your life. I also feel that the angels are asking you to be practical and take decision based on practicality and not on emotions. The angels are also saying that some of you, I am hearing, are worried about some sort of surgery or medical procedure. Some of you, all right, so the angels are asking you not to worry, everything will be fine. Take medical advice, medical consultation. I'm also getting that pay attention is what I'm hearing. Pay attention to the signs the universe is giving you. There will be a lot of wisdom that will be poured onto you, so listen to that wisdom in order to go ahead. The angels are saying that you have worked a lot on yourself in terms of um, as a person, as a human being, you have really become a better person, is what the angels are saying. So, this was messages from you from my new deck After Tarot. It's a beautiful deck. I think it would be really a great tool to use to know what's next, okay, when you're using an original Rider-Waite deck. I am going to use this in my pick a card readings very, very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this deck. Thank you so much. This is Sheila Sapin Matre. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel, and do write in the comment section how you found this deck, the After Tarot. Alright, thank you. Take care.